lemon balm, known botanically as Melissa officinalis, carries with it a quiet brilliance that has been whispered through gardens, monasteries, and wild places for centuries. At first glance, it appears as a simple member of the mint family, soft-leaved and citrus-scented, but beneath that gentle exterior lies a plant long revered as a healer of both body and spirit. Herbalists have often called it the gladdening herb, a title earned not through myth alone, but through generations of lived experience and, more recently, modern scientific understanding. Its connection to bees reveals one of its oldest secrets. The name Melissa itself comes from the Greek word for honeybee, and this bond is more than poetic. Beekeepers once rubbed lemon balm leaves inside new hives, trusting its bright lemony aroma to welcome wandering swarms and encourage them to stay. The scent, delicate to us, has a deeper purpose, subtly masking pheromones that might otherwise unsettle the colony. In this way, lemon balm has long served as a quiet bridge between human hands and the natural rhythms of the hive. Beyond the garden, lemon balm reveals a more potent and lesser-known nature. While many turn to it for calm and comfort, it also carries strong antiviral properties, particularly against the virus responsible for cold sores. Compounds within the plant interfere with the virus's ability to attach to human cells, and when applied topically, it may help shorten the duration of outbreaks. This dual nature, both soothing and protective, reflects a deeper intelligence within the plant, one that supports the body while gently defending it. Its reputation as a gladdening herb is perhaps its most cherished quality. For centuries, it was used to lift the weight of melancholy, and today, research suggests that this ancient wisdom holds truth. Lemon balm appears to support cognitive function by influencing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter tied to memory and focus. This has drawn attention to its potential role in supporting those with cognitive decline, including conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. At the same time, it offers a calming presence, easing anxiety and quieting the restless mind, making it a cherished ally for sleep and emotional balance. As a nervine, lemon balm works gently but effectively upon the nervous system. It softens tension, eases panic, and brings a sense of grounded calm without heaviness. This makes it especially valued for those who seek relief without sedation, a plant that soothes without dimming the clarity of the mind. There are even deeper physiological whispers within its leaves. Some studies suggest that lemon balm may influence thyroid activity by limiting the binding of certain stimulating compounds to thyroid receptors. This opens the door to its potential use in conditions involving an overactive thyroid, though such applications require care and professional guidance. Even in the simplicity of the outdoors, lemon balm offers its gifts. When its leaves are crushed and rubbed onto the skin, they release aromatic oils that act as a natural, non-toxic repellent against mosquitoes and gnats. It's a reminder that the plant's defenses can become our own, offering protection in the most natural way. Yet, like many members of the mint family, lemon balm carries a wild and assertive spirit in the garden. It spreads easily and can quickly take over a space if left unchecked, a reflection of its vitality and resilience. It thrives with little encouragement, returning year after year, a quiet but persistent presence. Woven into this botanical story is a rich tapestry of folklore. Lemon balm was once sacred to Artemis, tended by the nymph Melissa in ancient Greek tradition. It was believed to bring joy, strengthen the heart, and protect the spirit. Persian physician Al-Razi referred to it as an exhilarator of heartaches, and it later found its way into Carmelite water, a preparation steeped in wine and used for nervous headaches and emotional distress. In medieval Europe, it was grown in monastery gardens, valued for its uplifting and protective qualities. It was associated with Venus and used in rituals to attract love and success, while brides sometimes carried it to bless their marriages with happiness. Herbalist Nicholas Culpeper described it as a plant that strengthened the very essence of nature within the body, aligning it with vitality and balance. Lemon balm also held a place in the more mystical corners of herbal lore. It was considered one of the plants favored by Hecate, woven into traditions of protection and quiet magic. It was scattered across floors as a strewing herb, releasing its gentle fragrance into homes and sacred spaces, creating an atmosphere of calm, clarity, and subtle joy. Symbolically, lemon balm has long stood for love, sympathy, and happiness, while also representing abundance and prosperity within the home. Its presence was believed to invite not only emotional warmth, but also a sense of harmony and well-being. Despite its many gifts, lemon balm calls for thoughtful use. It is generally considered safe, but those taking medications for thyroid conditions, glaucoma, or sedation should approach it with caution. It is also wise to consult a healthcare professional before using it during pregnancy, while breastfeeding, or when considering it for children under 12. Additionally, its long-term daily use has not been extensively studied, and it is typically recommended for shorter periods of use. In the end, lemon balm stands as a quiet guardian of balance, a plant that soothes the mind, protects the body, and uplifts the spirit. It is both ancient and modern, gentle yet powerful, carrying within its leaves a subtle reminder that healing often comes not through force, but through harmony. Yet, of course, we need more studies. Let us know your thoughts or wisdoms on this herb. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.